Watch the full video please.
Dang, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
I decided to give myself some curls. I mean, here's a little curly. Just like wide curls, super wide curls. I think it's gonna work. All it has to be wet. Yeah, damped, wet, whatever you call it. Apply some damped, wait, what? Apply to damp, oh. I'm like, apply some damp hair, what? Apply the conditioner. What else you gonna do? Okay. I don't know. I don't know. My fiance sacrificed his waist for me because I couldn't find my scarf. He's a beginner. He has to be. He has to be a beginner. First off, that's poly. That's not silk. Second off, what elite waver only has one do-rag?
Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to get waves with straight hair.
He gonna teach us how to get waves with straight hair. First, you definitely gotta wet your hair.
Now, that your hair is wet, you want to take some shampoo.
Uh-huh.
And you just want to get it.
Apply some shampoo. I heard Cantu is bad. Why though, man? I mean, I've been using Cantu for a minute.
Everybody tag 360 Juice down below to see this immaculate lather.
Immaculate, boy. That doesn't look immaculate. Ooh! It got even better.
Take a brush.
Take the brush it in. See, with straight hair, the waves might not be showing. The noodles not in it. But wait till it's dried up. Always have a mirror.
So you know your angles.
Yes, sir.
Your hair's all dyed up like this.
Yup.
You wanna
What else?
get a wave cap.
Uh-huh.
Put on a wave cap.
And a do-rag too if you got a do-rag.
You wanna rinse your head.
Rinse your head.
Now wait for your hair to dry.
Yes, sir. 3-4 hours.
Results, guys. My hair's too short for it, but I'm putting that brush work.
Hey man, y'all go follow my boy Wavy Lyco. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but yo, he did a hot towel method. Let's see the results. You definitely gotta put in the brushwork every single day, Wavy Lyco. I apologize if I say your name wrong, man. But yeah, there's no waves in there yet. But keep working, my boy. You're gonna be spitting in no time, man. Don't give up. Alright, y'all, so we got first straight hair with waves on TikTok. I don't think you the first one, my boy. I don't think you the first one, but is that a shirt? Oh, snap. Yo, them things in there, bruh. What you do? Did you do a wash and style? I want to see the process, bro. Let me see.
Alright, y'all, so this is how y'all can get waves in a minute.
In a minute?
First,
you
thing
serious?
Make sure y'all comb
in 1
y'all
minute?
hair.
Okay. Make sure you comb your hair. Your hair was already combed out, dude. You don't gotta do it.
Make sure y'all wet your hair.
Make sure you wet your hair.
Shampoo in your hair.
Apply that shampoo in there. Great lather on the first wash.
Brush your hair down.
Brush it down. Where's your mirror though, bro?
After y'all
Nah, the lather was in. You know, let me. No.
Y'all finish putting on your
No,
hair,
you
make
messed
sure
up, bro.
For like 30 minutes, and I'll give you guys the results, and I'll let y'all know. This is a wave stuff for beginners.
Okay, that's for beginners. Let me see the results, man. You messed up a little bit though. I ain't even gonna lie. You messed up a little bit. Your do-rag ripped?
So I make sure I always tell y'all gotta have the lather, you feel me?
I'll rate this like about a 7, bro. You could do better. I just don't understand. Like, what school did you have to go to in order to make this happen? How is that possible? Is this Photoshop? Like, why is the line matching the friggin'... Hey, man, what you record this with, man? With an eyeball? Why your camera so clear, man? What type of camera you use, man? I want to know. I'm going to invest in that junk. Like your do-rag. But this one better, though. You feel me? Sheesh. Hold up. You got some tight curls, man. Dang, they super tiny. I have no idea how to fix that, to be honest. To make them wider, I think combing, wolfing. Sheesh, this is challenging for me. This is challenging. Is he even wolfing? Let me see. Does he have enough hair? It don't look like it. Like, are you wolfing? Serious question. Are you wolfing right now? If so, drop in the comments how many weeks you wolfing, bro. Because it don't look like it. but I think if you do wolf, it might help out a whole lot. Alright, we're doing a washing style. Results part 2. Oh wait, these are results. Okay. Looking silky. A little bit of overcurling. Just a little bit. Alright, that means you need more hair. Alright. Washing styles work best when you have a lot of hair. But it looks dope though. Let me see the crown. Got a couple of forks in there. Crown needs a little work. What's going on with your video? What the heck? I know that's not my phone this time. His phone acting up. What's going on? Forks at the top. Looking good though, man. Keep up the good work. Alright, so what we doing today? He was not having it. What that mean? He wasn't having what? You about to do a washing style? You about to get waves, man. You should be happy. Wait, are you gonna get waves? Is that a washing style? Or you just moisturizing? Let me see. Oh, it's just a moisturizing, guys. I got happy for us. Yeah. I want to see some dope waves. Watch this. Watch this. Let me move out the way real quick. Watch the unrag, man. Sheesh. Y'all see that little rag right there to protect the crown? Even though the crown needs just a little more work, but yo. Alright, y'all, pay attention. Little bro about to teach us how to get waves, you feel me? Take notes. Take out your notebooks and take notes, you feel me? Step 2, you gotta wet your hair. You heard that? You heard? Yo. You probably didn't hear it. Wet your hair, alright?
Shampoo.
Get some shampoo, you feel me? Put that in your hair, you feel me? First wash, like I always say. You don't really gotta worry about the lather.
In 360 juice.
Yes, sir.
That's immaculate.
Yo, that lather look immaculate, boy. Stop playing with them. Look at that. Yo, y'all see that lather? Do y'all see it? I don't think they see it, man. You gotta show them the second wash. That second wash, that lather gonna look even. Nah, I don't know if it's gonna look even better, but it's still gonna be in there. You don't gotta dry it though. You don't gotta dry the hair.
You can put some oil in it if you want. If you don't want your hair to get.
You gotta add some more water. Detangling shower brush. Brush with your pattern. Where's your brush though? Where's your? I said some nonsense. Where's your mirror?
Now rag up.
Where's your mirror? Shit, you spinning though, bro.
I didn't
Dang. What's that? You got slime on your head? What's that, bro? Wait, Poppy. What's that? That's avocado or something? That's avocado condition. I'm trying to think. Like, what is it, guys? Look like the throw up emoji. You know the green stuff. I don't know if that's slime or something, bro. Alright, show what we got today. From curls to waves. Let's see what you got, man. Pick your hair out. Okay. Pick it out. Wet it. Apply the shampoo. Okay. Doing good so far. Lather looking pretty good. What's going on? How you get your lather look so good in the first wash? Okay. I like everything so far. I like this dude. His lather look immaculate. Oh my. Yo. Y'all see that? Who is this? Alright, let's see if you wavy though, man. That's a detangling shower brush. That's why the lather's still in there. Now, if you're going with a real brush, you know, with the pull, the lather. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. The lather gone. You feel me? I mean, it's still trying to stay in there. Yo, this dude. Oh, he got the lay down method, right? Part 2. We doing a part 2. We doing unrag. Oh yeah, I like this dude. I'm following him. Y'all gonna follow him too? I don't know, cause I'm following. He did good.